So the law of agency is that law that governs the relationship between three parties. Under this law of agencies, you have three parties that are involved. We have the principal and the agent who interacts with the third parties. So the principal has that power or authority that he delegates to the agent to perform a particular task. So if the principal is a shareholder, he will look for a director. For this case, the director will act as an agent to run that particular company or to interact with the third parties in making the contracts or drafting the contracts on behalf of the principal. So the principal does not have that much duties to perform. He delegates the duties to the agent to act on his behalf. So this law of agency is that law that governs the relationship between three parties, and the relationship between the agent and principal under this law of agency is compared to that of master-servant relationship under vicarious liability, where the master has that power and the servant is appointed by the master or an employee to the employer to do the tasks according to the instructions given by the master. So we have formation of agency, and agency can be formed in various ways. We have agency by operation of the law, and agency by cohabitation that exists in marriage or relationship between husband and wife. And under this relationship, the husband assumes the authority. The husband is the principal. It's presumed that the husband is the principal and will delegate duties to the wife, or the wife can enter into contract upon the assent by the husband. The husband must give assent to those contracts entered by the wife in that relationship. So the wife will enter into relationships that are of necessities. Those relationships that are of necessities, as Lord Holt CJ stated. So the wife is only permitted to enter into contracts that are of necessities under this formation of agents by cohabitation. So the husband will state circumstances where this wife can enter into those contracts or can enter into those agreements with the third parties. So the wife will act as an agent to the husband. We have agency by estoppel, and this is the agency that is established according to the conduct that exists between the relationship between the principal and agent. So this is the type of agency that depends on the relationship established or the contract, or on how these people relate, how the principal and the agent relate. So agency by estoppel is the court is presumed to conduct or to judge according to the relationship that exists between the agent and the principal. So if the principal had acted in a manner to suggest that he had delegated authorities or functions to the agent, then the court will stop him from acting against what he had agreed in that agent relationship. So it depends on the relationship that is established between the agent and principal. Another way in which agency might be formed is that agency by ratification or signing. And other agency by rectification, this is whereby the principal had ratified that particular agent or contract agency, and this is the agency that exists after the signing. So signature prima facie means acceptance. So the principal cannot sign that particular agent relationship, then deny or claim that he's not bound with that agreement. So after the principal signs or states or brings out intention to be bound by that agreement by signing, then that means that he will be bound by that agreement. So this is that type of agency that depends with the ratification. After that signing has occurred, then the principal shall be bound by that particular agent relationship.